Welcome to Xigi Screens, where we manage every screen, every campaign, and every payout, all in one place. If you own advertising screens, this is where they start earning. Getting set up takes just a couple of minutes. Enter your name, mobile verification, email verification, password, and just like that, your account is ready. Now the real work begins, bringing your screens online. This is your dashboard. Right now, a blank canvas waiting for your first screen. So let's add one. Adding a screen is refreshingly simple. Choose your screen type and drop a pin to mark its exact location and enter a few specs. Xigi instantly works out the rest. Then set your own base floor price, the minimum you'll ever accept. And with open bidding switched on, advertisers can compete to pay even more. Add a few photos and you're ready to submit. Got traditional static billboards too? They onboard exactly the same way, so your entire portfolio, digital and static, lives under one roof. Once submitted, your screen goes to Xigi for a quick review to keep quality high across the network. And once it's approved, it goes live, instantly available to advertisers across Xigi Studio. That's when the bookings and the earnings start rolling in. Open any screen to see the full picture. Alongside your specs and location, Xigi builds a screen intelligence profile. The audience, foot traffic, and dwell time around your screen. Exactly the kind of data that shows advertisers its true value. You can also see the campaigns running on it and precisely what it's earning you. Support here works both ways. Need help from Xigi? Raise a ticket anytime and track it through to resolution. And when an advertiser or our team raises something about your screen, a query, a claim, a clarification, it lands right here too, so you can respond and resolve it all from one place. Keeping advertisers confident is effortless. Once a week, simply upload real footage of your screen running their campaign, your proof of play. It's time-stamped and verifiable, giving every advertiser solid proof their ads went live exactly as booked. Your payouts are fully automated and completely transparent. See what's coming when it lands and download a statement anytime. Track every rupee on the earnings page, broken down by screen and by campaign, so you always know how your inventory is performing. And here's where your earnings can really grow. When demand is high and several advertisers want the same slot, they compete in a fair, automated auction, pushing your price well above your floor, while you simply watch the value climb. Have direct relationships with agencies? Bring them on platform. With private deals, you can offer a trusted agency a locked rate on specific screens. They get guaranteed access, you get guaranteed revenue, your slots stay protected, and it all runs at a low flat commission. And you're always in control. Propose your own deal in just a few clicks. Pick the agency, choose your deal type, from a fixed rate lock to a volume commitment. Select your screens, set your rate and terms, and send it straight across. Simple, structured, and entirely on your terms. It all comes together on your dashboard, your earnings, your screens, live bids, payouts, and performance in one clear view. From your very first screen to a fully booked earning portfolio, that's Xigi Screens.